So here I am, the smart dressed man about town, dressed up to the guys, and we'll be walking around Cat in a very short while, hoping not to look too much like an idiot. But they always say if you're going to make an idiot of yourself, make a bloody idiot of yourself. So I won the part, yes?
No, car. There's a car. Inside the village. Just they don't want motorbike. They don't want. They're afraid.
Tickets?
Yes. Chào bé chị.
So you soon discover that this is quite a rip-off place. You first of all told that you can't get a motor down to the Cat village, and everybody's trying to sell you motorbike services. After that, you find that somebody does offer you to take you a taxi, take you all the way there. What you only discover later then, of course, is that all the way there is the car park, or 3 minutes drive away. 100,000 dong. So you get to the car park and then you're given another ticket, which costs 10,000 this time, to get this little kind of minibus thing that's behind me. And that takes you another 3 minutes down to another mini car parking area. And then go on your own, walking as you originally thought you were going to do. So if I were you, I would not get a taxi down, I would get your grab car down, and in fact we'll see how long it takes to get the grab car back up again. Let's go then. As usual, the Vietnamese can be counted upon to improve on Mother Nature. If you think green's just a boring colour, you've got some yellow and red leaves that have been stuck on as well. Plastic, of course, but only the very best plastic used here. Some people definitely get into the part.
Okay.
To tourism house area to experience the unique and captivating town, deeply rooted in the traditional culture of North.
And if it's waterfalls you're into, there's also plenty to whet the appetite. You soon realise, if you haven't already, that this must be the dressing up capital of the world. Well, certainly the dressing up capital of Vietnam, if anything's to go by. Everybody likes to have their selfies taken in looking at the most amazing, I think is the best word for that, amazing garb. So, plastic-coloured leaves not just your thing? How about plastic-coloured fruit? The Vietnamese have got it down to a T. And after a hard morning's walking, what better than to have one's own cane sugar? Yeah, beautiful. Cheers. That puts hairs on your chest. So 1 cup of cane sugar, and it costs 20,000 dong. How's about that for value of money?
This a picture.
Yeah. Chụp ảnh.
Chị cô nhưng mà